Year 3, today we're going to be having a crack at something called a continuous line drawing. Now, can you have a guess what a continuous line drawing might be? Think about the words that it is, continuous and line. Continuous basically means that it doesn't stop, and it's going to be a line that doesn't stop. So today we're going to have a look at doing a self-portrait of our whole body, head to toe, using a continuous line. So that means we're going to use one line that doesn't lift off the page at all to draw ourselves and all of the details of our face, body, legs, everything. It's a little bit tricky and you need to think about it and take your time, but it's really fun. So sometimes it's interesting to challenge ourselves with things like this and have a go at doing something that's a little bit outside our comfort zone, like using only one line. You can't lift your pencil up at all. That's cheating. So you've got to do one continuous non-stop line that doesn't lift off the page. I'm going to do an example for you, but I am going to speed it up. So when you're watching mine, just remember that I'm not actually drawing that quickly. I'm drawing normally and slowly and taking my time, but I don't want you to have to sit and watch 10 minutes of me drawing. I'm just going to show you the example, okay? All right, I'm going to have a go, then it's your turn. So all you need today is a piece of paper and a grey lead. Now I'm going to do my continuous line drawing today with marker, just so that it's easier for you to see on my video. But I would normally do this in grey lead, okay? If you are going to use something like marker, it's really important that you put a piece of paper underneath so that if your marker does go through, you don't wreck your table. My mum used to get so cross at me when I didn't do this, so you've got to make sure you do. Okay, when you're starting your continuous line drawing, remember we want one line that doesn't stop and we don't lift our pencil off the page. So I would like you to start with your feet and work your way all the way up to your head, trying to get as much detail as you possibly can without lifting your pen off the page. So this whole thing is going to be one continuous line. All right, I'm going to do mine, but like I said, I'm going to speed it up. So don't think that I can do it this quickly in real life. It's sped up. All right, year 3, good luck with your continuous line drawing today. It is a bit of a challenge, but if you take your time, think about it and plan, you can do a really interesting and successful self-portrait. Don't forget that if you need to, you can actually go over the top of your lines, but it doesn't matter if you're creating extra lines. They can just be patterns in your clothing or whatever. Take your time, try and get as much detail as you can, and have fun. And once you've done your continuous line, you can even add some color if you'd like. All right, I will see you next week. Have fun, good luck, goodbye.